If wolves have one meat, meat rare, meat special, meat worth a lot of shiny rocks. Wolf guard meat with life. But if wolves hunt many meat, meat everywhere, meat pile high like mountain, meat common, meat not feel special anymore. Value fall. Wolf shrug. When meat rare, wolf give many shiny rocks. When meat common, wolf give few shiny rocks. This is a law of forest. Even squirrel knows this. If wolves suddenly want more meat, but hunters bring same amount of meat, meat feel rare again. Price rise. Wolf needs bigger pouch of shiny rocks for same meat. Wolf annoyed. If wolves want same meat as always, but hunters bring less meat, oh boy, price go up fast. Every wolf panic. Every wolf run around. Every wolf argue. Wolf market chaos. Hunter says, less meat today. Wolves say, more rocks for you. This cost push inflation. Forests get expensive. Wolf buy meat, wolf eat meat. Wolf feel joy. Wolf howl joyfully. Wolf friends hear the howl. Wolf friends go buy meat too. Meat shop full of wolves. Line so long at Reach River. Hunter now must hunt more, but hunting tools cost more. Flint expensive. Leather straps expensive. Forest tax on hunting sticks go up. So hunter raise meat price to survive forest economy. Wolf sad again. If wolf pack has same hunger, same amount of meat, but wolves suddenly collect more trading stones. Stones everywhere. Stones under paws. Stones fall from trees. Price of meat goes up because stones lost value. Too many stones mean stones not special. Hunter want more stones for same meat. Wolf confused. Wolf say, but I have so many stones. Hunter say, that problem. When stones lose power, everything cost more. Wolf buying power weak. Wolf poor but does not know yet. This quiet inflation. Then inflation get crazy. Hyperinflation. Stones lose value by sunrise. Wolf need basket of stones to buy one tiny piece of meat. Wolf back hurts from carrying stones. Wolf mad. Wolf leaders say, no worry. Wolf economy strong. Stones keep losing value. Wolf leaders say, just make more stones. So they make more stones. But price climbs again. So wolf leaders make more stones. Price climbs again. Wolf leaders panic, make even more stones. Forest economy in chaos. Stones now worth less than dry leaf. This ridiculous. Wolf leaders burn shiny rocks. Sparks everywhere. Goodbye, shiny rocks. Wolf leaders declare new currency. Moonstones. Wolfpack claps. Wolfpack confused. Wolfpack pretend. Understand. Inflation not always bad. If wolf moonstones increase same speed as meat price, wolf fine. Wolf stable. Wolf chill. If moonstones increase but meat price stays same, wolf rich. Wolf howl at moon with pride. Wolf buy extra cave decorations. Wolf feel luxurious. If moonstones stay same but meat price rise, wolf poor. Wolf sad. Wolf tail droop. Wolf depressed. Wolf question life choices. Wolf is all of us. To avoid sad wolf life, wolf must invest meat, invest moonstones, invest resources. Wolf no meat today, more meat tomorrow. Wolf grow wealth like strong oak tree. Slow, steady, mighty. Sometimes inflation get wild like storm and mountain. Prices run around forest like crazy rabbit. Hard to catch, hard to understand. Even wise owl scratch head. Owl say, this nonsense. Even owl confused. Forest creatures panic. Fox raise rent on dens. Bear charge extra honey. Beaver raise price of wood. Mice hoard seeds. Whole forest affected. This why wolf must learn inflation. This why wolf must understand value. This why wolf here. Wolf pack that knows economics survives winter. Wolf pack that does not hungry. So wolf explains inflation. Wolf makes knowledge simple. Wolf makes forest economy clear. Wolf help wolf pack grow strong. Please subscribe. Wolf appreciate. Wolf give good economics. Wolf protect pack.